Hello, children. Let's start with the next page of the chapter, The Mice That Ate Iron. After his bath, Maniram took the boy home and locked him inside. Then he went back to Lakshman's house and began to weep loudly. Now, after his bath, when he was taking bath in the river, after taking bath, Maniram took the boy here refers to the son of Lakshman, to his home and locked him inside the home only. Then he went back to Lakshman's house and he started crying very loudly. Then Lakshman asked, "What has happened? Where is my son?" Then Maniram replied, "O Lakshman, while I was bathing in the river, a hawk swooped down and carried your son away." Then, uh, then Maniram replied that while I was taking bath in the river, a hawk swooped down. A hawk is a kind of bird. It came down flying and carried your son away. Lakshman was beside himself with anger. Lakshman was very angry. He started shouting at Maniram. Hearing the din means hearing all this, many villagers began to gather around. Then Lakshman said, "Liar, cheat, I don't believe you." Then Lakshman said to Maniram that you are a liar, you are a cheater, and I don't believe you whatever you are saying. I tried to save your son, but the hawk flew away. Then Maniram said that I tried very hard to save your son, but that bird flew away. Furious Lakshman dragged Maniram to the Sarpanch. Then furious means very angrily Lakshman took Maniram to the Sarpanch and the villagers followed them. "Sarpanch, Maniram has kidnapped my son. He must be punished. Tell him to bring back my son at once." Then Lakshman told to Sarpanch that this man, Maniram, he has kidnapped my son and he should be punished. Tell him to bring me back my son. The Sarpanch gazed at Maniram. The Sarpanch was looking at Maniram for quite a long time. "What have you done with the boy, Maniram?" "He was sitting on the river bank while I took a bath." Then Maniram replied that, "Sarpanch, the boy was sitting on the river bank while I was taking bath and suddenly a hawk swooped down and carried the boy away." The Sarpanch did not believe Maniram at all. "Surely you do not expect me to believe this nonsense." Then Sarpanch said, "Do you expect from me that I believe all this nonsense from your side? He is a liar, your honor. He must be punished." Then Lakshman said that, "Sarpanch, your honor, he is a liar and cheater. Please give him punishment." I think that's all for this page. Now let's remember the points which we have studied so far. Maniram took the boy to his home and locked him there. He told to Lakshman that a hawk swooped down and carried your son away. Lakshman was angry and called him a liar. Lakshman took Maniram to the Sarpanch. He told Sarpanch that Maniram has kidnapped my son, and at last he asked Sarpanch to punish him. I hope this page is clear to everybody. So that's all for the day. Thank you.